Okay. May Allah protect Saudi Arabia and all Islamic countries from any dangers. Please, grade 1, follow our online class rules.
I don't see any picture.
Now it's clear. Yeah, now it's clear. I can see it from my phone.
Not clear. Yeah.
Yeah, now it's
Yeah,
clear.
I
So you
see it.
can leave and join again. Okay, okay, honey, leave the meeting and join again. Okay. Listen to me, honey, please. Follow our online class rules. Be prepared on the time. Raise your hand to respond and to ask any questions. Close your camera, close your mic, and no one write on the chat. Okay? Today we have a new lesson. What about this lesson? It's about the water cycle. It's about the water cycle. So one more time, the water cycle. The water cycle. Repeat after me. The water cycle. So in this lesson, inshallah, our objectives, we will explain how the clouds form and why the water falls back to the earth. And number two, we will identify the different kinds of the clouds. Let's start. First, all of you, please look at this picture and tell me, how is the weather in this picture? How is the weather?
Cloudy.
Yeah, it's cloudy, amazing. It's cloudy, thanks a lot.
Cloudy.
Yeah, it's cloudy, thanks a lot. So
Teacher
here,
Maya, the first one.
thanks a lot, Maya and Kinda. Okay, thanks a lot, grade 1. So please, honey, no one answer if I
Teacher,
say one.
that is the sky.
Yeah, it is a cloudy. The weather it's cloudy. If we can see a lot of clouds in the sky, so it's cloudy weather. Yeah. Okay. Now look at this picture. Okay, honey, look at this picture. Honey, please close your mic and listen to me. So what can the clouds tell you what the weather might be? If we look at the sky and if we can see these clouds and the weather it's cloudy. So what can these clouds tell you what the weather might be? So here the weather might be what, Judy? Yes, Judy. If you look at the sky and it is a cloudy weather today. Yeah,
Sunny.
the weather might be what?
Sunny.
Sunny, but it is cloudy,
Yeah.
honey. It's cloudy, look. It's a lot of clouds in the sky and it's cloudy. So what will happen if it is cloudy? Can you guess? It might be, again, it might be.
Maybe rain.
Yes, amazing. It might be rainy or snowy. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot, Judy. Okay, so from this weather, it might be rainy or cloudy, or snowy, sorry. So, but what causes the rain to fall? What causes this rain to fall down?
Rainy.
Yeah, what causes the rain to fall? If you have any question, open your mic and tell me what causes the rain to fall.
Cloudy.
The clouds? Yeah, the clouds. Amazing. What? So what causes the rain, or what causes rain to fall? It is the clouds. Amazing, honey. So the clouds causes the rain to fall. Judy, please, honey, close your camera. All of you close your camera. Judy, close your camera.
My.
Okay. So what? Yes, yes. Yes, honey. Yes, Rafa?
I answered.
Okay, honey. All of you will answer. Wait. So what causes the rain to fall? It is the clouds. Now, how do the clouds form, grade 1, sorry. How do the clouds form? Honey, please close your mic, Ratil, close your mic. So how do the clouds form? Look at this picture and
Teacher?
listen to me. Yeah?
Teacher?
Yeah.
Sarah, she writes on the chat.
Okay, Sarah, no one write on the chat, grade 1. The last warning. Okay, so now listen to me. I will tell you the water cycle story and you can rearrange this water cycle. Okay, you can rearrange it, but first listen to me. Okay, the sun warms the land, warms the air, warms the water. As the sun warms the water, some water turns into water vapor. Water vapor is the water that goes into the air and it is too small to see. As the water vapor cools in the sky, it turns back into drops of water or bits of ice, and this is the clouds. So clouds are made of drops of water or and pieces of ice. This is the water cycle, grade 1. So can you rearrange this water cycle with me and tell me how the water cycle it starts? It starts by the rivers or by the clouds or by the rain or by the sun. If we wanted to rearrange this water cycle, no. Wait, honey, close your mic, please. Okay. أثير عدنان أثير say yes. So Athir, look here. Athir, can you rearrange this water cycle? Athir, can you rearrange this water cycle? Okay. Kenda.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Okay, so wait, honey, wait. Yes, Kenda?
Yes, teacher.
So if you wanted to rearrange this water cycle, how this water cycle?
It is cloudy.
It's cloudy?
My name
It's for
cloudy.
Kenda, listen to me, Kenda. Wait, honey, all of you close your mic, grade 1. Kenda. So the first one, the clouds, but how the clouds are formed? How do these clouds form, Kenda? It's formed by the water or by the rain?
By the rain.
By the rain? The rain make the clouds or the clouds make the rain?
The clouds make the rain.
Amazing, Kenda. So the clouds form by the water or by the rain?
By the rain.
By the rain?
Water.
Yeah, it's formed by the water. Okay, thanks a lot, Kenda. It's formed by the water. And which help the water to turn into the cloud, the clouds. Yes, Kenda?
Teacher.
So, Kenda, which helps this water to turn into the clouds? Maybe the rain.
Water.
Yeah, which help the water, the earth water? Which help the earth water? Is it the sun or the rain?
Sun.
Amazing, Kenda. Thanks a lot, Kenda. You are super. Thanks a lot. So number 1, grade 1, if we talk about the water cycle, the sun must warm the earth water. And this earth water turns into the clouds, and the clouds make the rains. Okay? But I will show you this experiment to explain more. Now we have in picture number 1, we have a water, yeah? But it is a liquid water. It is a liquid water. Now we can see this water, yeah? Yes, Noura Saleh? Noura Saleh? Noura Saleh. Where are you, Noura? Okay.
Teacher, I want bathroom, me Ala.
Yes, Ala, go, honey. Okay. Yes, Athir. Athir?
Yeah.
Okay, so Athir here, number 1. Can you see the water?
Yes.
Yeah, it is a liquid water. It is a
Quick.
liquid water, amazing. But look at picture number 2. Can you see the water here?
No.
No, where is the water? It changes into, or it changes to gas. It changes to
Yes.
gas. The liquid changes to gas. Thanks a lot, Afir. Amazing, honey. Okay. Noura Saleh, are you here, Noura Saleh?
Yes.
Okay, Noura. So, Noura, tell me again, what about picture number 1? It is the water in a
Liquid.
amazing. And number 2, what happened?
Gas.
Yeah, this water changes into gas. But how it can change? How we can change the water from liquid to gas? By heat. We can heat up this water or cold this water.
Heat.
Yeah, we must heat up this water. Yeah, so we must heat up this water. Thanks a lot, Noura. But look here, Noura. Now we have the earth water in the oceans, in the river, in the ponds, but which heats up or which warm this water?
The sun.
Amazing, Noura. Thanks a lot, Noura. So the sun, grade 1, the sun warms the water, warms the earth water. So number 1 in the water cycle, the sun warms the earth water, warms the earth water. So the sun warms the earth water. Yes, Larine? Larine? So which the earth water? Which warm the earth water? The sun or the clouds?
Oh.
Again, Larine, I can't hear you. So which warms the air? What? The earth water? Yes, Larine, again. The sun or the clouds? Quickly, Larine. The sun or the clouds? Yes, Larine, look. The sun. The sun, Larine, the sun warmed the earth water. The sun warmed the earth water. Thanks a lot. Okay, thanks, honey. Okay, so number 1 in the water cycle, grade 1, the sun warms the earth water. The sun warms the earth water. This is number 1. And what will happen? If we heat up this water will change from a liquid to a gas, from a liquid to a gas. And now, can we see the water here? Can we see the water in picture number 2, Seba? Seba?
No.
Of course, no, because it is a liquid or a gas here. Yes, Seba, because it is a liquid or a gas. Seba?
Teacher.
Yes.
أنا أم رتيل قاعدة تلعب مو راضية تركز كلميها.
Mothers, please, if you want anything, write for me on the Telegram. It's not allowed for me. Okay, where are you, Siba? Ratil. Ratil, answer with me. Ratil. Okay. So Ratil, focus with me, Ratil, okay?
Yes.
Ratil, look here, Ratil. Can you see the water here in this picture? Can you see the water?
Yes.
Can you see the water here in picture number 2? Yes or no? Focus.
Yes.
Ratil, focus with me. Can you see the water? Where is the water here?
Yes.
Where is the
I
water?
see the water.
Where? Can you see the water or the gas?
Can everything. I can see everything.
In picture number 2, Ratil, can you see the liquid water like this one? Or a gas water? A gas.
Gas water.
Yeah, a gas. Thanks a lot, Ratil. And this gas, grade 1, it's called water. I can write it. It's called water vapor. It's called water vapor. It's called water vapor. So look at this gas. It's called water vapor. It's called water vapor. Okay. Okay. It's called water vapor. So all of you now repeat after me. It is the water vapor. It is the water vapor. Yes, Sarah, it is the water. Sarah? Sarah?
Teacher, you say my name Fatma Juma? Yes, teacher.
No, wait on. Yes, Sarah. This is the water.
Gas.
Vapor. This is the water vapor. This is the water
Gas. Liquid.
vapor. It's called water vapor. It's called water.
Vapor.
Amazing. Yes, one more time. It's called water.
Vapor.
Yes, thanks a lot, honey. So this is the water vapor. And what is the water vapor, grade 1? It is the water that goes into the air. So it is the water that goes into the air. It is the water that goes into the air. It is the water that goes into the air. So what is the water vapor? What is the water vapor, Khulud? Khulud? Imar? Imar? Rafa? Rafa?
Yes, teacher.
What is the water vapor, Rafa? It is the water that,
That
goes into the,
air.
it is the water that goes into the,
Air.
one more time. It is the water that
Air.
goes into the,
Air.
and it's too small to see it, it's too,
Small.
to see it. Thanks a lot, Rafa. So here, I love you more, honey. So here, this is the liquid in the, this is the liquid water. And here the water changed from a liquid to gas. And now it is the water vapor. This is the water that goes into the air. When the water goes into the air, it is the water vapor. It is the water vapor. And now, what about the water cycle? So we know that number 1, the sun warmed the earth water. If the sun warmed the earth water, like if we boil this water or heat up this water, now the water will goes into the air. And it is called water vapor. So if the sun warmed the earth water, The water will goes into the air and it is the water vapor. It is the water vapor. So number 2 in the water cycle, some water from the earth water turns into water vapor. Some water turns into water vapor. Some water turns into water vapor. Okay? Yes, Lin Walid. Lin Walid.
Yes, teacher.
So Lin again. Today we talk about with the water.
Yes, water
Water cycle. Water.
cycle.
Yes. Number 1 in the water cycle, the sun.
The sun warms the water.
Yes. The earth water. The earth water, like the water in the rivers, in the ponds, in the lakes. Amazing. And if the sun warms this water, some of this water will goes into the
goes into
the air.
the air.
Yeah, and it's called what? It's called water.
No,
Water vapor. It's called water.
not. I say for you, not. I say for you, no. But you don't hear me.
What?
I say for you now. It's called water vapor.
Yeah, I'm sorry, I can't hear your voice. So it is the water
Vapor.
Amazing, Lin. Look, Lin, when this water vapor will goes into the air and we can put this coal cover. If we put this coal cover on this container, what will happen, Lin? Do you know? Look at this picture and tell me. What happened to the water vapor?
Any picture, number 1 or number 2?
Number 3. I ask you about number 3. If we listen to me first, listen to me. If we cover this container by a coal cover, this is a coal one, okay? If we put this coal cover in this container, what will happen to the water vapor? Can you guess?
Not happened any something. Only but the water, the cold water.
So look inside this cover. This water vapor, it is a gas or liquid?
Liquid.
Yeah, it is a gas. Look at this cover. Now, can you see the gas or it is a liquid inside this water vapor? Inside this cover, sorry.
Now I see it. Now I see it. Now I see it.
Wait, honey. Where are you, Lean?
Yes.
Now, what do you say? What do you see?
I see it now, the gas.
Yeah, now you see the gas or the liquid? Or the gas changed to liquid inside this cover.
I want my mic. Liquid.
Yes, so now can you see the liquid again? So now the water can come back again?
No.
Or what? Look inside this cover. The water can come back again. Can you see the water inside it? Yeah. So if this water vapor in the sky, if it is coals, or it must be coals, so now the clouds will form. Thanks a lot, Lee. You are amazing. Thanks for help. So grade 1. When this water vapor cools, when it is cools in the sky, like this water vapor cools by this cover. When this water vapor cools in the sky, it turns back into the water in a form of drops of water, drops of rain or ice, and now the clouds are formed. So this water vapor, if it is cools in the sky, the clouds are formed. Okay, grade 1? So look at this picture again. It's about the water cycles. So number one, Yaslin Ahmed, number one, the sun. Yaslin Ahmed, the sun. Number one, the sun. Okay.
Yes.
So number one, the sun. Look here, on my screen. Number one, the sun warms the
Water
honey.
vapor.
The sun warms the earth water. The sun warms the
And water.
Thanks a lot, Lynn. Yes, Fatima Jum'a. Fatima. So, Fatima, when the sun warms the earth water, when the sun warms the water vapor, the earth water, now the
Rain.
when the sun warms the earth water, yeah?
Water.
Some of this water, some of this earth water will, some of this earth water will goes into the air and it's called water.
Vapor.
Yeah, amazing. So again, listen to me, Fatima. When the sun warms the warms the earth water, some of this water will goes into the air. Some of this water will goes into the air, like some of this water. Okay, if we boil the water, some of this water will goes into the air in the form of water vapor. In the form of
Water vapor.
So the water vapor, it is the water that goes into the
Water vapor.
Yeah, it is the water that goes into the air or the earth. Yeah, amazing. So the water that goes into the air. Thanks a lot. Yes, Hala. Hala? Hala? Okay. Deem. Munira. Munira?
Yes, teacher.
So, Munira, in the water cycle, number one, the sun warms the...
What?
The sun warms the earth.
No. Yes.
Warms the earth, water. Warms the earth.
Water.
Thanks a lot, Munira. Yes, Zain. Zain.
Yes, teacher.
Then when the sun warms the earth water, okay? Some of this water will goes into the air, and it's called water.
Cats. Cats.
Water vapor. It's called water.
Water. Rain.
Water vapor. Water.
Water. Vapor.
Thanks a lot, honey. Yes, Nagam? Nagam. Okay, so now when the water goes into the air, it is the water?
Yes.
Vapor, it is the water?
Yes.
Vapor, it is the water? Vapor, it is the water?
Beaver.
Vapor, vapor, it's the water?
Beaver.
Thanks a lot, honey. Yes, Jude عارف. Jude?
Teacher.
So, Jude, when the water vapor goes into the air, Jude, Haneen, close your mic, Haneen. Okay, Jude, so when the water vapor goes into the air, it cools in the sky. It cools in the sky, okay? Like this cover, it cools. So it cools in the sky, and now which is for, or which are for the
Liquid.
clouds. Now the clouds are formed. Now the
Liquid.
clouds. Jude, clouds. Now the
Clouds.
yeah. Now the clouds are formed. Now the clouds are formed. Thanks a lot, Jude. Now the clouds are formed. Yes, Shadon. Shadon. Yes, Shadon.
Yes,
And
yes.
these clouds give us the
Water.
yes, the rain. Give us the
Rain.
yeah, the rain or snow. Thanks a lot, Shad. Okay. Yes, Hanin Al-Ghamdi.
Yes, teacher.
Hanin, today we talk about the water. Yes, the water cycle. Today we talk about the water. Thanks a lot, Hanin. Yes, Maya. So the water cycle started by the
Yes, teacher.
yes, Maya. The water cycle started by the sun, by the
Sun.
and the sun warmed the earth water. The sun warmed the earth.
Water.
Thanks a lot. Yes, Noura Musa.
Yes, teacher.
So Noura, when the sun warmed the earth water, some of this water goes into the air and it's called water. Yeah, it's called water.
Water.
Yeah, water vapor. Water.
Paper.
Yeah, water vapor. Amazing. Thanks a lot. Yes, Hoor. Hoor.
Okay. Yes, yes, teacher.
So Hoor, the water vapor, it is the water that goes into the yes, Hoor, the water that goes into the air, that goes into the
Air.
air. Thanks a lot, honey. Okay. Yes, Ala. Ala.
Yes, teacher.
So Ala, the water that goes into the air, it is the water.
Vapor.
Amazing, Ala. Thanks a lot. Yes, Deem. Deem.
Mira, name. I don't
Wait,
answer.
all of you will answer. Wait. Deem. Okay. Fatima Ali. Fatima Ali. Yes, Fatima. So, the water vapor is the water that
Yes,
goes into the
yes, teacher.
yes, honey. Tell me, what is the water vapor? It is the water that goes into the air, that goes into the Fatima, where are you? Okay, that goes into the air. Yes, Hanin Sobiani. Hanin Sobiani.
Yes,
So it is the water that goes into the so tell me again, Fatima Ali, the water vapor, the water that goes into the
air.
amazing, Fatima. Thanks a lot. Yes, Hanin Sobiani.
Teacher, can I go to the bathroom?
Wait, honey, wait. So, okay, you can go, you can go. So when the water goes into the air, Hanin Sobiani, and it's cold, it turns into the clouds. It turns into the
Wow.
thanks a lot. Yes, Lara. Lara. Yes, Lara. Quickly, honey. Okay. Talia. Talia. Okay, Jana. Jana Salim.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so Jana, now the clouds are formed and the clouds can make the clouds. Yes. Give us the or turn. Yes, the rain. Thanks a lot, Jana. Okay. Tala.
After Tala, Miradim. Yes, teacher.
So Tala, this is the water. Look, this picture. Tell us about the water.
The sun.
The water cycle. Tell us about the water.
Cycle.
Thanks a lot, Tala. Yes, Ranim. And the water cycle, Ranim, started from the
Funny.
from the sun, and the sun warmed the air. Thanks a lot. Yes, Imar. Imar. Tulay.
Maybe.
Okay.
After Tulay, Ratil.
Where are you, Imar? Yes, Imar, open your mic, Imar. Tulay.
Teacher, you say
Yes. Yes, I say your name, Imar. So, Imar
I
here.
want to answer.
Imar, listen to me, Imar. So, Imar, when the sun warmed the earth water, the water goes into the air and it is the water vapor. It is the water.
Yes, teacher.
Imar, when the water goes into the air, it is the water vapor. It is the water. Imar, it is the water vapor. Water vapor. Thanks a lot, grade 1. So, inshallah, we will explain more about this water cycle in the